For quarantine, I was getting my nails done regularly, almost every 2 to 3 weeks, getting acrylic on my real nails. Once we got into quarantine and, you know, nail shops are closed, I basically had to cut off all my nails and figure out, you know, what to do with them. So I kept seeing these ads on Instagram and on Facebook from this company called Olive and June, where they sell nail kits. I kind of thought about it for a couple weeks, and I was like, I don't know if I really want to spend like $80 on like a kit. But then when I kept looking at it, I was like, hey, actually, the kit is cute, and it comes with so much stuff. So I'm going to unveil what's actually inside the kit. And I actually really love their packaging. So you can see. So this particular kit that I ordered, 6 polishes came with it, which was included in the price. And you're able to select the colors that you want. And now we're going to get to the meat of it all, the actual kit. So it comes with a guide showing you how to do your nails and also what each tool is for. So now, oh, and it also comes with nail polish remover. So you literally have everything in this kit. So let's unveil. So this is the nail brush. We have a buffer. Also comes with a top coat. This is a poppy, which is really cool because if you're not really used to doing your own nails, this is like, you can put it on top of the nail polish top to get more of, you know, more balance and easier strokes. And this is a cuticle serum. And we also have a nail filer and a nail clipper. And what's really cool is that the box also turns into a phone booth. So if you want to take pictures, where's my phone? Or your phone? You can take nail selfies. Oh, wow. I'm trying to figure out. Oh yes, because it goes like this. So you would basically put your phone in here and I guess like set it on a timer and you'll be able to take your picture of your nails.
Nice.
So all in all, I think this kit is definitely worth it. Haven't tried the polishes yet. You know, that'll probably be the next video, but I definitely think it's worth purchasing because can't go to the nail shop, don't really feel like going to the beauty supply store, and it literally just, you know, comes straight to your house.